This is a pink heart metallic cat eye stamping polish. I'm using this pink color to stamp this heart image here with this pink sticky semi-gel stamping polish cat eye to show color swatching what the cat eye pink look like here. If use it as gel paint sticker, we can activate the cat eye effect with a magnet stick. So using this colors, pink or any other available color cat eye sticky semi-gel stamping polish from SheModern, artists can turn any stamping image into a stamping image two-dimensional look with an even metallic effect, and using the same colors as gel paint, using the base image as a guide and coloring inside the heart with thicker polished gel paint of the same colors, pink, and activated cat eye effect with a magnet stick to bring up the cat eye effect and clear under gel light for 60 seconds. And we have ourselves interesting three-dimensional cat eye look, and then just apply top coat to protect well this three-dimensional cat eye effect look.